Maximo, the robot arm. Maximo comes with a free robotic studio license that allows you to control the arm and execute precise automations.
Accessible, fun, and affordable, Maximo is great for beginners and experts.
We provide a simple step-by-step guide to help you build Maximo. Easy to put together, accessible, and affordable. Maximo is a great way to discover robotics. The modular heads can be switched within seconds.
My goal was to create a robot available to everyone.
Help us make Maximo a reality and discover robotics with us. Maximo, the robot arm by InnoTechnics.
Industrial robots are too expensive and hard to use. However, they could save you time at home, help you do creative work, or learn new technologies. So, why keep these benefits away from you? Meet Nerio One, the first accessible 6-axis robotic arm. Nerio One is a low-cost and user-friendly robot made out of 3D printing and open-source technologies. It was created so everyone can use it. For makers, Nerio One can help you learn robotics and be your perfect coworker. It can easily pick and place many kinds of objects. For example, to automate a 3D printer. Do anything your imagination can create, just by easily changing the end effector tool. With Nerio One, reproduce industrial use cases such as drilling, or drawing on any surface with any orientation. Nerio One is great for robotics education, for students to learn, but also for children. They can get to know more about new technologies and get some programming basics. So much fun involved. Nerio One will also save you some time in daily life so you can relax and do the things that matter the most. Controlling Nerio One is so easy. You can teach the robot what you want it to do just by moving it with your hands. Want to use a gamepad? Here you go. You can use the mobile and web applications to have more control over the robot and control it from a remote place. Nerio One will be connected to the internet. Oh, and it means you can also get free software upgrades, and you can share programs with your family, friends, and other people around the world. We specially thought about makers and developers by making most of our code open source. STL files for 3D printing will also be released. You will be able to program directly on the robot, with many APIs and the source code. It's a great way to learn robotics and do useful stuff with Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and robot operating system.
We are passionate robot makers who want to spread the word with easy-to-use, low-cost, and useful robots.
Time has come for robotics to get out of factories and help people having a better life and a better technology education.
Please back us on Kickstarter to help bringing accessible robots to everyone.
And thank you for your support.
This is Control, the robot. It has the same DNA as sophisticated $100,000 industrial robot arms, elegantly reduced down to desktop size, and made as affordable as a coffee machine. Now, anyone can own their own robot. Just plug in a laptop and take control. With a full range of articulation through 6 axes, Control's uses are as unlimited as your imagination. From teaching your children to code through play, to clever applications for small business, to science and education uses, Control the robot provides endless opportunities. It works right out of the box, and the completely open source interface means you can control it with your favourite programming language, or simple conversational text commands, or use physical manipulation to teach it repeatable tasks. You can also connect multiple arms to work together. End-of-arm tools are easy to change and will be available for endless uses, including grips, laser engravers, suction pads, spray nozzles, 3D printing and more. With a camera, Control can also find and recognise. All users will be able to write their own applications and share the code globally, creating a database of Control the Robot programs. From creating a miniature factory for your business to raising the next generation of genius inventors, Control the Robot means anyone can now control a robot.
Iron Man's Jarvis on your desktop that writes your letters, draws your pictures, laser engraves your phone case, and plays chess with you. Today, it all becomes possible with HexSpot, the first versatile all-in-one desktop robotic arm that turns your desktop into a workshop. The 0.05 millimeter high precision and maximized speed ensure the ability to complete all kinds of work. The unique drive circuit design eliminates the motor noise. Yep, you can sleep beside the robot arm now. The modular design allows you to change the end effector within a click and obtain various functions. HexSpot can be a desktop plotter and turn pixels into ink and pen. Bring arts to your home or write your homework. HexSpot can be a laser engraver that makes you a toy by engraving on either softer materials like wood and leather or harder materials like porcelain and aluminum. You can make a meaningful gift for your friend or some personalized stuff for your own. HexSpot can also be a 3D printer that turns your design into a product easily. The intuitive software gives you the seamless control on HexSpot and creates things in just a few drags and clicks. Moreover, integrated with Blockly, controlling HexSpot would be as easy as dragging and placing command blocks. The movable touchscreen allows you to control HexSpot in a more flexible way. The other accessories bring HexSpot to the next level to build a production line on your desktop.
Hello, this is Rob.
And this is Daryl.
And this is Linus.
Linus is a little drawing machine we hope you're going to love.
Linus draws like you. It copies your motion with a real pen on paper. It's a fun little robot that makes simple wobbly line drawings. It comes with an app that lets you save, share, and draw them again and again and again. Linus only needs to be connected to a USB battery or cable and it's ready to go. It's magnetic and comes with a metal plate so you can use it in your sketchbook. Hook it on the wall. Or even hang it on your fridge. Linus also talks Wi-Fi, and this is where things become truly magical. Share doodles and messages with your family. Publish your illustrations and let anyone subscribe to your gallery. Simply fetch the latest drawing with a push of a button.
The world is filled with useful products, things that are going to make things quicker or faster. And what the team at Linus are trying to produce is something to play with. It's something to spend time with that's fun, and it's energetic and it's ambitious in its construction.
We're designing the app for PC, Mac, Android and tablets, and we're integrating simple tools so everyone can have fun with it. Load a friend's drawing and play it backwards to see how it was drawn, and edit, erase, and add to it. Take a picture and trace over it. Linus works straight out of the box, but only you can really bring it to life. Our aim is to build a community of users that will develop new and exciting creative ways to use it. We want to develop it together with you and can't wait to see what you will do. Attach your brush to it. Draw on windows or postcards. If you like to play, code or make things, you'll be able to hook them up to Linus. You could connect it to a Raspberry Pi or Scratch. Get several machines to work together. Go big with a pantograph. Or play in groups guessing at someone's drawing.
It's not completely digital. It has a bit of real human warmth and something happening in front of you, rather than a printer where it's just something secret's happening inside and out is coming this perfect finished item. You're kind of watching it happening.
We've been working hard on Linus with extensive prototyping, electronics, design and programming, and now it's ready to be made. So we want to do 1,000 machines as a pilot just for Kickstarter.
If you want to be one of the first to play and draw with Linus, back us now.